everyone. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to plot combination charts in Excel. Combo charts are often helpful to visualize when two or more datasets are represented in a single chart. So here I have a table showing the temperature and relative humidity at a place with respect to time. The easiest way to plot a combination chart is to remove the header for the first column and then go for a combination chart. I removed the header here, and now you can select the whole table and go for insert in the main menu, then select insert combo chart. Here a small downward arrow is there. Click here, select a combination chart. This first one or second one you can select. First one is having only a primary axis, second one is having a secondary y-axis. I'll go with the second one, which is having a secondary y-axis. So we got a combination chart here. So this represents two variables. One is temperature and the other one is relative humidity. The temperature is represented by the bar chart and the relative humidity is represented by line chart. I'll zoom it. Now I can add the axis titles here. I'll go for axis titles. Here you have temperature, so I'll copy this, temperature in degree centigrade. Here I have relative humidity, so I'll copy this. And chart title is temperature and relative humidity variation. So we'll make this font size bigger, make it bold, and this will make it 12 for 12 in bold. The same formatting I'll apply here. You can also apply the same formatting here. So that is clear. Now I'll change the background. So you can go for format chart area, fill option. I'll go for solid fill and go for a lighter color. That formats the chart area. Now you can also go for the plot area. Plot area I'll go for pattern fill. Okay. So this will give a combo chart. So this is one way of plotting it. You can even add the tick marks here on the primary y-axis and secondary y-axis, and you can also edit all this. Okay, I have already explained it in the previous sessions. You can also make the same plot in a different way, like you can select the entire table. Now I included the header also. I'll go for a scatter chart. After selecting this, I'll go for a scatter chart. Here I'll take smooth lines and then make it little bigger. Now select any one of the data series, clicking on the line, right click and go for change series chart type. There you can go for combination chart. Here you have a combination chart. Okay. Now this is okay for us. You have a secondary axis for relative humidity secondary axis. Click OK. So this will give a combo chart. So initially after drawing the line chart you can convert. Now even this bar chart you can convert. Change the series chart type. You can this is now temperature is clustered column. You can make it a line chart. So both are coming as a line chart. But this is not a combo chart. Both are plotted using line. Okay, so you can, after drawing the chart, you can always convert into different form, either bar chart or line chart or scatter chart. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.